Welcome to this tutorial on how to make your email address visible to everyone on LinkedIn. This is a great way to increase your visibility and accessibility on the platform, especially if you're looking to expand your professional network or attract new opportunities. To start, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the left sidebar, click on the Visibility tab. This section allows you to control who can see different parts of your profile, including your email address. Under the Visibility of your Profile and Network section, find the option labeled Who can see or download your email address. Click on this to adjust the visibility settings for your email. Here, you'll see several options for controlling who can view your email address. To make it visible to everyone on LinkedIn, select Anyone on LinkedIn. This setting ensures that any LinkedIn member can see your email address, which can be beneficial for networking and outreach. By choosing this option, you're essentially opening up your profile to a broader audience, making it easier for potential collaborators, recruiters, or other professionals to contact you directly. This can be particularly useful if you're actively seeking new opportunities or looking to grow your professional network. Once you've selected Anyone on LinkedIn, click Save Changes to update your settings. That's it. Your email address is now visible to all LinkedIn members, enhancing your visibility and accessibility on the platform. Remember, managing your visibility settings on LinkedIn is crucial for maintaining control over your professional presence. By making informed choices about who can see your contact information, you can tailor your experience to meet your specific needs and goals. Whether you're looking to expand your network or keep a low profile, LinkedIn's flexible settings allow you to customize your experience.